Want to try something new with your shake today? Why don't you make it hot? I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and you know, one of the best parts about my job is that I get to spend a lot of time in the kitchen playing around. So a couple weeks ago, it was a cold morning and I was getting ready to make my shake and I thought, sure would like to have something hot this morning. So with a little trial and error, I finally figured out how to make the perfect hot Herbalife Formula 1 shake. Let me show you the trick. There's one secret to doing this, and that is that you have to take your Herbalife Formula 1 powder and you have to mix it with a little cold milk first. You can't just pour hot milk into your powder. So let me show you what I did. I've already got my Formula 1 powder measured out. I'm using the coffee flavor, and I'm going to put it right into the mug that I'm going to use. And I'm going to use just a couple of tablespoons of cold milk. And then I'm going to take this little whisk, you can use a fork if you want to, and I'm just going to whisk and whisk and whisk and keep doing it until I get all that powder nicely blended into a nice paste. This is really key because you want to have your drink nice and smooth. So we're just going to keep mixing and mixing, and as you can see, it's nice and smooth now. Can't see any lumps there. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my hot milk to make my delicious hot shake. All right, so I've got my milk here. I heated this up in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Now I could just pour this right in and it would be fine, but because I'm playing around the kitchen, I'm going to whip it up. So I'm going to put this top on. That's just for fun. Kind of froth it up a little bit. Put that aside. Then I'm going to take the world's smallest whisk. I found this at my local kitchen supply. And I'm just going to start adding this very, very slowly, my hot milk into my shake. And see, I've even got a little foam on top. How about that? Look at that. That would make any barista proud. And as long as we're gone this far, let's go ahead and put a little pinch of cinnamon on top. Isn't that beautiful? And I'll tell you something, this is so good. It's delicious anytime, whether it's a hot day, a cold day. This is really great. Try it at home.